I'm Sarah Fit Foodie.
And I'm Isabella Nichols, here today to be Sarah's assistant in the kitchen.
And today we're making Choc Oatmeal cookies.
Let's get cooking.
So to get started, we need 150 grams of rolled oats, 30 grams of oat flour, 70 grams of self-raising flour, 30 grams of bRAW vanilla protein, 90 grams of shredded coconut, 130 grams of coconut sugar, and then we mix up all the dry ingredients. So once the dry ingredients are all mixed up, we're just going to pour in 50 grams of rice malt syrup, 100 grams of butter at room temperature, and then a pinch of salt. After you've added all the ingredients into the bowl, you're just going to mix it all together until a dough forms. You can use your hands, you can use a spatula or a spoon, but using your hands I find is a lot quicker.
Get the hands dirty.
So once you have a dough that's nice and uniform, what you're going to do is put in 100 grams of dark chocolate and then mix it all together. Thank you.
That looks great. I can just eat it like that.
I do, I usually do. Cool. And then we're just going to bake it into cookies. So all you have to do is just grab a bit of dough. Now these don't spread too fast, so you're gonna have to spread them out yourself using your hands. And then just press into cookies.
Yours looks a lot better than mine.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That one?
Yeah, it's a great one.
Very circular.
Yeah.
Symmetrical. We're gonna have a lot of cookies. Lots of food.
Okay, so this recipe makes 12 to 15 cookies, but today we've made 12 small cookies and 1 giant cookie. After you've formed your cookies into your desired size, you're going to pop them in the oven, which has been preheated to 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. So the cookies have cooled down, let's try them.
Sweet. They're pretty good. That made it sound like they were bad. They're really good. They're really good.